With the leaves now finished, unhide both the set and environment, the buildings and environment I should say, as well as the main maple tree. If we truck out a little bit, we'll notice that we need to move our leaf up into place. In order to do this, I'm going to actually use a bit of a constraint to get things into place. I've actually taken the liberty of making a null, if I focus in on it, the parent of both the root and the leaf object. I've just done this by matching up position from the null to the root. And I've made sure that the root object's tail control is muted, so when I'm moving my object I don't get the effect of the simulation. So reset and mute. So what I'm going to do here is just use an object to cluster constraint to get this object's center to where I want my shot to occur from. I'm actually going to move the tree around a little bit and find a good location. I want the shot to be somewhat of an above shot, an up shot, maybe off of this branch right here. So that looks good to me. I'll take the leaf parent null, use the constrain object to cluster command, and move the leaf to a group of points represented by a point I select. So I've actually clicked on the object, and if I pick, say, a single point, I can use the point, the edge, the sample, none of the above, or all of the above. I'll actually move it to that particular point, and then I'll delete the constraint. You can always delete the constraints by going into the slave object kinematics constraints folder and literally just deleting the constraint by hand. Okay, if I reorient the leaf, let me just grab the null, and I'm going to have the leaf angled something like that. Okay, we'll do a little bit more positioning here before we begin emitting the particles.